Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for all the drone enthusiasts out there. We'll be comparing two top-notch drones in the market: the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone and the Brushless Motor Drone with camera. So let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to drones, having a high-quality camera is essential for capturing stunning aerial footage. The TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone features an ultra-clear 4K camera, guaranteeing vivid and detailed footage from a bird's-eye view. On the other hand, the Brushless Motor Drone with camera offers a 4K 120 degrees manually adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens, providing a broader shooting range and breathtaking field of view. Both drones excel in capturing impressive footage, but the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone edges ahead with its superior camera quality. Flight performance plays a crucial role in determining the overall experience with a drone. The TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone is equipped with super powerful brushless motors and 3 batteries, allowing for a longer flight time of up to 90 minutes. It also boasts a maximum remote control distance of 1,000 meters, providing you with the freedom to explore vast areas. Similarly, the Brushless Motor Drone with camera utilizes brushless motors for higher speeds and offers a flight time of up to 40 minutes. Both drones excel in flight performance, but if you're looking for longer flight time and extended control range, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone takes the lead. Drones can be intimidating for beginners, so user-friendliness is a significant factor to consider. The TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone comes with multiple functions like automatic takeoff, headless mode, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning, making it easy to fly, even for novice pilots. Similarly, the Brushless Motor Drone with camera offers a range of functions including high-speed rotation, gesture control, headless mode, and one-key takeoff landing. Both drones provide user-friendly features, but the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone's additional functions and ease of use give it an edge in this category. Safety is of utmost importance when operating a drone. The TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone incorporates a powerful GPS module and optical flow positioning, ensuring safer and more reliable flights with extraordinary anti-interference capabilities. It also features emergency stop, smart return to home, and one-key return functions to prevent the drone from getting lost. Similarly, the Brushless Motor Drone with camera offers stable height control, optical flow positioning, and an electronic fence function to keep it within the remote control range. Both drones prioritize safety, but the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone's additional safety features give it an advantage here. Portability is a crucial factor for drone enthusiasts who love to take their drones on adventures. The TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone features an intuitive and advanced foldable design, making it highly portable. It also comes with a carrying case, ensuring easy transportation. On the other hand, the Brushless Motor Drone with camera also offers a convenient carrying case and a strengthened casing. However, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone's lightweight design, weighing less than 250 grams, makes it the ideal travel companion. And that concludes our comparison between the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone and the Brushless Motor Drone with camera. Both drones have their strengths, but based on our analysis, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone emerges as the winner in terms of camera quality, flight performance, user-friendliness, safety features, and portability. However, it's important to consider your specific needs and budget before making a purchase. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and smart buying tips. See you next time on Buy Smart.